With over 100 plus large language models flooding the market, enterprise clients are facing a significant challenge to manage the costing for these LLMs, such as lack of visibility, controlling cost, real-time tracking the budget and logging it, providing single pane for chat windows. But what if there was a smarter way to manage LLMs? So SST AI brings a solution: LLM Insight, for all above problems. Introducing LLM Insight, an all-in-one solution that centralizes the management, cost control, and access of LLMs, all through a single user-friendly dashboard and widgets. Key benefits of LLM Insight: manage and assign LLMs to projects and departments. Set usage limits and track budgets in real time. Allocate custom charges for precise cost billing and monitor and log LLM transactions effortlessly. Everything is linked to Active Directory, making user access easy to manage. Access all LLMs through one chat interface. Minuscule overhead time will be added to existing LLM transaction time. Scale LLM APIs using containerized services easily. Use unique keys for accurate project cost tracking. Automated invoicing and email notifications are sent to the respective projects, departments, and admins. Built with the SST AI framework, LLM Insight delivers maximum efficiency and control with minimal disruption, making it the smarter way to manage your LLMs.